Hello guys, join me. Let's learn the names of some electronic tools and their functions. Combination pliers. Used to grip, twist, and cut wires. Side cutting pliers. Used to cut wires. Wire stripper. Used to remove insulation from wires. Tweezers. Used to pick up small electronic parts. Soldering iron. Used to melt, solder, and join electronic parts. Screwdriver. Used to tighten or loosen screws. Flathead screwdriver. Used for flat screws. Phillips screwdriver. Used for crosshead screws. Pliers. Used to hold, bend, or cut wires. Needle nose pliers. Used to reach small spaces. Hammer. Used to hit or remove parts. Solder wire. Used to join electronic components. Desoldering pump. Used to remove melted solder. Desoldering wick. Used to absorb melted solder. Digital multimeter. Measures voltage, current, and resistance. Analog multimeter. Measures electrical values using a needle. Clamp meter. Measures current without touching wires. Test light. Checks if electricity is present. Oscilloscope. Shows electrical signals on a screen. Breadboard. Used to build circuits without soldering. Jumper wires. Used to connect components on breadboard. Power supply. Provides electrical power to circuits. PCB holder. Holds circuit boards while working. Helping hands tool. Holds components while soldering.